My name is Dzan. I'm an Autodesk Expert Elite, and I just wanted to show you the hatch command and what most people use it for. So what you're seeing is an AutoCAD file that I drew up, and we have this kind of odd-shaped pool. We want to hatch that pool. A lot of people, when they use the hatch command, they'll start the command and then they'll use the pick point function, and they'll try to pick inside here. And because there's a big gap, the software will probably fail on us. So what is the typical approach that people will do? They'll back out of this command. They'll go over here and they'll probably draw another line to close this up. And then they'll hatch it like they normally do with the internal point function. What you could do instead is you can use the hatch command, and in the command line, they have a draw function right here. So you can click draw, and you can use the mode function and area function to pick the points that you need. And when you're done, you hit enter and it's all hatched. So in just a few clicks, it's much easier for you to create that hatched area, even though there's a gap, right? And then obviously we can change the design of the pattern if you want to, using the contextual ribbon, and pick whatever pattern you'd like. Thank you very much for watching this video on the hatch command and some of the deeper dive functions within the hatch command. If you have any suggestions or tips, or would like to see any other additional videos, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to make another video. Thank you very much.